Hello everyone, I hope you all doing well. Today we're gonna talk about new Cadillac CT5 for 2025. Cadillac's mid-sized CT5 has been refreshed for 2025 with updates to the front fascia grille and interior. The lighting features have also been revised, including stacked LED headlamps and a vertical daytime running light. The most notable change is the larger 33-inch curved infotainment system, replacing the previous 10-inch touchscreen. It now features GM's latest Google-based infotainment system. Other updates include new safety features such as active blind spot assist, traffic sign recognition, driver attention monitoring, and improved automated emergency braking. The interior design and materials of the CT5 have been criticized for not living up to its luxury positioning. The trunk can accommodate 5 carry-on suitcases, but it has less space compared to competitors like the Alfa Giulia and BMW 3 Series. The CT5 offers a standard 237 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, with an option to upgrade to a 335 twin turbocharged 3.0 V6. The performance-oriented CT5 Volts has a 360 ponies version of the twin turbo V6. Both engines are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and rear-wheel drive is standard. The 2025 Cadillac CT5 is priced between $40,000 and $53,000 depending on the trim and options chosen. For those seeking a stylish mid-size luxury sedan with good handling and value, the premium luxury model is recommended. It includes features like a power-adjustable steering column, ventilated front row seating with memory interior ambient lighting, illuminated exterior door handles, and front and rear park assist. Well, that's all. I hope it was helpful. If you liked the video, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe for more. See you next time.